Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. Welcome to Fish Tubers are Creators. Today I spent a few minutes looking at opinions, decisions, whether opinions, decisions, and where you're going. Alright, so far I've looked at several different areas in which fish tubers really consider whether they think of it consciously or subconsciously, right? They think about it. Today, let's look at opinions. Now, a lot of persons have opinions. A lot of persons have opinions with regards to, hey, you should do that when you're planning to breed a goldfish. You should do that when you're planning to breed your koi. You do not keep your cichlids like that. You keep your cichlids like that, right? In fish keeping, there are many unique methodology used to breed, keep, and care for your fish. To everyone, there's a unique method. Not to say that there's no one universal method, but there are different methods used by individuals to actually keep and care for their fish. Now, I keep my fish in 55-gallon barrels. I call them ponds, right? A few weeks ago, somebody said that these are not ponds, these are barrels, and they tried to give me the definition for ponds. Well, to me, these are ponds because I keep them like in a pond-like situation. In Jamaica, it's a bit different from where you're at. Well, for those persons who are on the other side of the globe. So I keep my fish according to how the weather dictates, my time dictates, my space dictates, and my resources dictate. Now, for some persons, they might be saying, hey, you talk too much, you need to show more of your fish. Well, my YouTube channel is not like those YouTube channels, fish keeping or fish tubing channels, which actually show the different type of fish that they have. Every day they go to the pet shop and they buy this fish and they buy that fish. My ultimate objective, my goal in fish keeping really is for sale. So I only keep fish that I can manage to keep. Now, the other day I had been overrun by a certain amount of fish, a certain type of fish, so I had to sell them out, right? And then now I started to think about having different type of fish, and it's kind of slow in getting there because these fish in which I'm really interested in now are a little bit on the expensive side, but nevertheless I am going to be getting them. Opinions vary depending on who you speak to. Persons may say that you need an intro for your video. Some persons just jump right into it because listen, person's attention needed at the get-go, so you don't really start off with doing things that will get those persons bored or switching to another video. So you get the ball running. To me, there's too much graphics within the videos, the intro, the music and all that. It's not really necessary, but it kind of pulls some people, some persons to your video, right? However, if you do not have the equipment, the resources, the technology, the technical know-how, how to do this, you need not to worry yourself about that. Spend big money so as to get your YouTube channel up and running as quick as possible. To me, this is my opinion. To me, having a YouTube channel is an awesome thing. It's a social media, right? And as with social media, it can pull you up and it can pull you down. Meaning it can go up with it, and it can go down with it. And it takes a while for you to gain popularity, right? It takes a while for persons to acknowledge that you have something worthwhile to share. I've been on YouTube from 2017, producing videos from April 2017. When I just started YouTube, putting out videos, I was like at 10 views for the entire month, right? And this has I've actually improved over the years because I've actually been able to improve my quality, production, equipment, meet new people, get ideas, and share what I have to offer. and they also share with me, and I use their information, their shared information. Opinions are usually based on persons perception as to what things might be, and for this, some persons are just outrightly feeling as if their way is the only way, and as a result of that, everybody else's way is just totally wrong. Well, to me, that's bull, right? I feel like you can do whatever you want to do once it works for you, right? You can get a big pond, put it in a yard, I don't have no filtration, and the fish live even longer than those persons who have big filtration system within their, their yard, right? Uh, it's not as a result of me uh, it's not as a result of me not having resources or equipment to set up in my yard while I am speaking this way, right? Because if I wanted to, I could have gotten them, but I just have other priorities, right? So on that matter, I speak to you on our next fish tubers creator. Thank you very much for watching. Do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.